Do you want to learn how to make this stylish DIY pliers holder? Then stay tuned. Okay, so what do you need? First off, you need your cardboard. You need some paper. Doesn't matter what type of paper, just as long as it's paper that you can put on the cardboard. You need a ruler, as grimy as possible apparently, but a ruler. They seem to work better when they're grimy. You need some scissors, a pencil. You would need a box cutter, an X-Acto knife. You need some glue, that's optional. You need some painter's tape. The glue gun is optional also, depends on what you decide. Then you need a schematic of your particular holder. This one is basically, I did it with a 10x8. So I broke it up into a couple parts. Those dotted lines are fold marks. So you have fold marks at the 2-inch point, the 4-inch, and then there's the second 4-inch half. And so that's your schematic. So I guess let's get into it. Take your schematic here, look it over, get familiar with it, figure out what you're gonna do. So what we're gonna do is get to cutting. Okay, a little technique for cutting cardboard. It's always best to go through just the first layer there and then fold it, and then put your knife in between that little fold there, and you can get to the other side. It's better than you trying to push all the way through your first cut. Okay, here's the part where we're gonna start folding. So how we do create those folds, we just cut, like I said before, through that first layer. And then we fold it. Look at that. And then you have the other layer that we didn't cut through, and that will stay together in the fold. Okay, get your painter's tape, and then we're going to take a nice size piece, and then we're going to close off the top there. I like to have the tape go over the sides a little bit and overlap. That makes it connect better, and it might require you to split the tape a little bit. Now you can choose to leave this like this. You don't have to put paper on it and make it look all pretty and everything. That's not a requirement. But this is Martian Creations, so I'm going to take it a step further. So I'm going to take my paper here. Now, there's many ways that you can connect this. You can use school glue. You can use regular tape. You can use a glue gun. It's completely up to you. But I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to get my ℼ𝕼𝕍𝕍 sticker maker. I got a bigger one so that it can make a big sticker. Let's try this. When I tell you this thing is so cool, you're not going to be able to understand it unless you see it. It is the greatest thing ever. Okay, so here's the sticker maker in action. Okay, here's the only downside that I see with this sticker maker. I find that it works very well for what I need it to work for. But what I found is that there's a lot of waste to it. So you have to take this top layer off, throw that away. Then you need to take your sticker off of this backing. Then you have to throw that away. So there's like extra stuff to it, and I'm not really particularly fond of that. But you can see the back there, the sticky part. That's pretty cool. Seriously? Really? Now you could choose to leave it like this. It's completely up to you. Because it's fairly done at this point, but I don't like these open holes, so I have to fix that. No. No. We're not doing this. This glue, this school glue, is a no-go for this particular project. You might like it, you can use it, but I'm not using it. But the only problem with the glue gun is that you have to wait for it to heat up. So we're just gonna sit here and wait. It's no big deal. Guys, you just made your own little DIY pliers holder out of like cardboard and some random paper. You should be proud of yourselves. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below, share the video. Make sure you hit that notification button and don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.